Meteorologist Damon Matson, I think one way to maybe show your kids about lightning is to maybe, go on video, go online and, and just show them what it looks like, on YouTube or something.
Safe to say the next round of lightning watching will be done inside.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that was intense. Not fun when that happens. I know we've all experienced that. One too close lightning strike. You're never going to want to be out there again during those storms. Thankfully, we don't got anything like that happening today. It's been multiple days in a row, really, where we've had just active weather each afternoon and evening, but that's not the case on this Tuesday. And we've had clouds that's kept our temperatures in check. Really, no 90s popping up. Luray just got there, but otherwise the rest of the DMV is staying below that 90-degree mark. Still plenty of typical summer heat, though, out there, and of course, with still plenty of humidity, it's not comfortable, really, despite the fact that we do have those lower temps. A little bit of drier air starting to show up back to the north and west, but it's not enough of a drop with those humidity levels to make a big-time difference that we can feel. Now, like I mentioned, at least even though it's quite humid and we still have plenty of that warmth, there is not any sort of major shower and storm activity ongoing across the majority of the region. The only small sliver of the region seeing some wet weather is down across southern Calvert, southern St. Mary's counties, Lusby, and then down through Lexington Park right now. Even Leonardtown seeing a couple of heavy downpours, but these are drifting out into the open waters of the Chesapeake, all the way down to the south there, and that will be wrapping up here shortly. So temperature-wise, hey, we're pretty much rinse and repeating this part of the forecast. It's going to be a very warm and muggy night once again, with overnight lows in the upper 60s, low 70s. And then as we roll into our Wednesday, we should see more sunshine than we did out there today, so that's going to dial our temperatures back up just a little bit, right around 90 degrees. So it's going to remain sweltering as we progress through the middle of the week, especially because we're going to keep the rain chances at bay. There's not going to be anything to cool us off. Notice how it clears out tonight. Not a lot of cloud cover as we head into our Wednesday morning there. That's what's going to allow more of us than not to drop into the 60s, but with plenty of sunshine on tap tomorrow until the mid-afternoon. That's where we heat up, and we have still plenty of humidity to make it feel sweltering. But look what happens. The next frontal boundary will be knocking on the door early Thursday morning, and then it will just settle in right over the DMV throughout the day on Thursday, which means we're going to see scattered waves of rain and possibly even a few thunderstorms as we head through the afternoon and evening there. And this kicks off the next stretch of active, soggy weather for us across the DMV. Again, we're not expecting severe weather at this point, but a couple days will be a little more active than others with some chance at heavier rainfall. Thursday is one of those. Saturday also looking a bit more active. In between Friday and Sunday, well, we do still keep some shower and storm chances, but there should be plenty of dry time mixed in, and all the while, temperatures not terrible in the low to mid 80s.